What's going on, family? So I am inside of UPS. Just got some copies done of the unit to show it all the way around. Actually, this is for, I'm talking to a few clients because with this one, it'll be a model that I'm going to be duplicating. So I wanted to show the end cap and, you know, the full construction of it all the way around to give a person an idea of what we'll be doing. So just wanted to tune in for a second, give you a small update. Got these laminated so that way I can be able to show them the different clients and without messing my picture up, you know what I mean? Because, you know, we workers, so our hands tend to be dirty and greasy at times, but these turned out good. So now I'm about to take this networking to another level. Hold on.